Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm going to share with you, old school YouTube, what's in my purse. I always laugh when I watch these videos because typically people are like, this is my $2,000 Louis Vuitton bag, and I'm like, what? Now, in all fairness, I do from time to time splurge on designer items. So I can't really be on my high horse because I do from time to time splurge on designer items. I get it, I do. But I'm like, and maybe it's just more jealousy. I'm like, oh my gosh, $2,000, like what? Anyway, regardless, this is from Target. So this is my bag right now. Now I am pregnant, and depending on when you're watching this and what happens in my life, I don't know, I could have already had the baby. Also, probably I didn't, I don't know. Regardless, this is the bag I'm currently using, but it's gonna be kind of switched out and stuff as I eventually have a diaper bag, and I might just be using that with some of my stuff in it, you know, versus having a purse and a diaper bag. But for now, this is what I'm using. I got it at Target very recently, so if I can find it, I will link it below. I was shopping for it in my like Target shopping vlog that I will link below as well, which is really fun. So this is a mess. I've not cleaned it out. It is genuinely, I laughed because as I peeked in it, I was like, some of this stuff, you guys are gonna be like, Jessica, what is wrong with you? But whatever. So in this front pocket, I always keep my phone. And so I got this case from Amazon. Again, it's like 10 bucks, but I wanted one that, I have the iPhone 10, which I like because really for photos alone, like for social media and stuff, and like for my thumbnails, I take almost all of my thumbnail pictures of products on my phone. I love it. And we vlog on our phone. Anyway, so it was a good purchase for us, but this case is more kind of rubberized, but still structured. And you can push the buttons really easily. Because that was a problem I had. I had one that was really cute, but you'd have to like work to push the buttons, and I'm like, I cannot do this. And I wanted one where I could still fit it like on an iHome charger without any problem, and this one was a little more open. So I will link this case. They have different colors, but I really liked this kind of Periwinkle case. So that's all I keep in that front pocket. And then when we open, it opens to a much larger compartment. It's messy. And then there's like a zipper pocket on one side and like two little just pockets on the other. So we're just gonna do this. First thing, I have a notebook I bought from Erin Condren with my name on it. I'm about halfway through. I've got notes from doctor's appointments. I've got my to-do list, my to-film lists, just all kinds of stuff. There's a calendar in the front of it. I don't actually use it, and actually I think it's even old. I think it's from 2017. So I'm just using the notebook portion of it, but I do like it. I like that this can lay flat because like it doesn't have that, I don't know. I'm enjoying this. So I could see myself buying another one of these once I've used this up completely. So that is usually in there, although it does transfer from here to my desk, kind of back and forth a lot. Then I've got my glasses, which actually this is just my case. My glasses are over there. I have a couple. These are, speaking of designer, these are Chanel ones, so it's got a really cool case. It's kind of a splurge, but I was like, you know, I want to have glasses that I feel excited to wear. So when I have to wear them, I don't feel like, oh, it's a glasses day. So I was really excited to own. Let me just grab them so you can see. Oh, I have my contacts in too, so it's like way too much. So these are them. I really like them. I have some other ones too over there, but these are the ones I like wear all the time. So I try to keep them in my purse, but obviously sometimes it's just the case, no glasses. And I keep a cleansing cloth in there because I need them all the time. I have my stuff about my birth plan, and I have some ultrasound pictures. We've had a lot of ultrasounds with this pregnancy because we've had a lot of scares and just weird stuff happen. So we're having them like all of the time, which is honestly amazing because we get to see our baby all the time. And I'm pretty sure we've already hit our deductible this year, which is, I guess, great. I don't... I got a receipt from TJ Maxx. This is terrible. Oh, I've got my wallet, which this is a Marc Jacobs one. So this one I did splurge on, but I got it on Hotlook. So, I mean, it's still expensive on there, but it's like usually 40 to 50% off. I can link it below. Got some receipts in here, and you know, I'm not going to show you everything in my wallet. You don't really need to see, but no cash. I hardly ever have cash. So that's that. I used to use a smaller wallet. I had like a small black one. But honestly, I was like, you know what? I have so many cards, and this black one's so thick now because I've got so many cards. Kind of just makes sense to have this. I like the single zip. Simple. I like this color. It matches any purse. Not that it really matters, but it does. So I love the simplicity of that wallet. I have like 1,000 sets of keys. Like, this is my set of keys where I've got like our security thing, keys to the house and like little like cards and stuff, but I always keep it in here, but I have my car keys separate just because this is so heavy to have hanging from your, like when you're driving. And then I have my school keys. Oh, I will show you though. This I got in Disney. It's like a really cute, I think it's really cute, really sturdy, strong little holder, and it's got a little Mickey thing that connects it to the keys, which I thought was so, so cute. I've got this little thing, actually I had a pen floating around, that I just use to hold pens, and then I also sometimes will have a charger in there. So like this is actually just an adapter, like for the headphone jack, because I sometimes need it in my car when my USB thing's not working. But I always end up needing a pen, so I finally broke down. I was like, Jessica, forget it. Just grab a little thing. This is actually a brush, an e.l.f. brush holder, and I'm just holding some pens in there. So, and it's actually nice because now I at least know, like I always have my notebook, but then I don't have a pen. Now I know I've got quite a few in there. Let's see. I've got a little paint opener because we were at Home Depot and I put it in my purse. I was at my sister's today and okay. When I hang out with my sister, we have this thing called a coffee clutch where we always have coffee and we talk and it's just great. Well, since I'm pregnant, I can't have quite as much caffeine. And so I brought over some half calves for myself. So instead of having 1 cup, I could have 2. And then she had some extra she gave to me. Anyway, so that's why they're in my purse. I need to put them in near our coffee pot. So then I have this makeup bag. Now this is not the only makeup I have because I have some more I'm going to show you. But I'm sure this is what you're curious to see. This is from this brand Lily England. I've actually never even heard of this brand, but they sent me some brushes and this bag like a year or 2 ago. And I love, again, the simplicity of this cute white bag with like the rose gold zipper. That's it. I think it's so cute. I've got medicine in here. This I buy on Amazon as well. I need to buy a new one because honestly, I've had it for a while and it's kind of dirty. But what you can do is you can put like little bits of medicine or vitamins, whatever, and it just pops open like that and you can get stuff out. So that's really nice because then I always have like some sort of headache medicine if I need it, you know, things like that. And like it's great because if Tyler's like, hey, do you have any of this medicine? I'm like, yes, I do. I often bring this when I'm traveling too because I never need any more than what's in here, but it's nice to have. And it takes up virtually no room. So I will, if I can find this on Amazon still, this was years ago, I will link it. And actually I might buy myself a new one. I always have Vaseline. This, I use on my lips from time to time, but I always have it because I am prone to nosebleeds, especially in the winter. And I remember a nurse telling me long ago to put some Vaseline in your nose and it just kind of lubricates and moisturizes the nasal passages and just, you know, I don't know, it always works. So when I get a bloody nose, I'll put a little bit of this in there and then wash my hands and literally it like stops it up and it's good. I mean, it's amazing. Contact lens case. I've got a few lip balms. I've got this Drunk Elephant Lippy Balm, which is actually nicer than I thought it would be. And then this Kiehl's Lip Balm #1. I really do like this. It's got squalane, vitamin E. I have one of these in my nightstand as well, but this I like to keep in my purse because Tyler often asks for lip balm and this is perfect for him because it's not like super glossy, but it's nice and moisturizing too. So I'm a big fan of that. I do have a touch-up powder and I always make sure to put one in here that has a mirror. This is the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation powder. And so it doesn't have the illuminating quality to it. But I like that it's got a mirror. I mean, it has a little puff underneath it to apply. I clearly have not applied it on the go yet. I just have it in there. That's the thing that's so funny. I'll always bring makeup with me and I never use it. I never do. I just always have it just in case. And anyway, I do have a hand cream I'm almost out of. This is from Bath & Body Works. It's their Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte hand cream. Their hand creams actually are nice, the ones like this. And I feel like they've improved their formula where it actually genuinely feels very moisturizing. I have some re-wetting drops for contact lenses because I get really dry eyes. These are from Blink and Clean. They're really nice. I have my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. It's just a facial spray. So if I feel like maybe I just applied that powder or I'm like, ooh, my face looks dull or maybe it looks really dry, I'll spray this all over and it's refreshing and it kind of makes my makeup look a little bit better. I always take bobby pins and tie a bunch of hair ties around them so they're all together. They're not just loose, but I know where to go if I need them. So those are in there. That's kind of like a trick. I travel. I never need any more than this, so it's perfect. So I have like lots of this little concoction like all over the place. And then I do have some lip products. And okay, these were the two I genuinely put in here. And now I have some more in there that I've just been using. So this Hourglass Confession lipstick in I've Kissed is a really pretty, like, everyday rosy color for me. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. And then this is the Urban Decay. It's a new one I'm trying out. It's their Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and it's in the shade Naked. This one kind of has like a metallic look to it on the outside, but really when you put it on, it doesn't look like that. But it's minty. I really like it. Again, just a simple everyday color. It's hard to get the thing in there. I end up getting the lip gloss everywhere. So then I just have in a side pocket here, and actually I just need to put these back in my collection because I don't need all of these. I've got a MAC lip gloss in Cultured. Again, standard everyday pink, but I just really like it. It's got a nice shimmer in it. It's really pretty. It's the only MAC lip gloss I think I've kept. And then this was my wedding lip color, and I was wearing it the other day. This is from Edward Bess. I don't even know if this brand is still around. It's in the shade Rose Demure. It's not a great long wearing formula, but it was the color, so I had to reapply it all the time on my wedding day, but I love this color so much. So that's in there. And then this lip liner, it's a L'Oreal Color Riche Matte in Matte's It. This is an amazing lip liner. It's certainly deep, but this formula is ridiculous. It's so creamy and yet long wearing. I also have the lipstick, the Clinique Pop Matte Lip Color in Blushing Pop. This is more of a matte lip color. I've actually paired it with that lip liner, and even though they are a little different, it looks actually really pretty. So it's a more drying formula, but it's still a really pretty matte. I have a half-eaten Cliff Bar. It's the peanut butter, delicious. But see, the thing is, I don't like to eat a whole Cliff Bar, just because I feel like it's a lot if I'm not like working out right then and there. It's just got a lot in it that I don't know that I need the entire thing. But then I end up with like half-eaten ones everywhere, so I need to like actually finish them. I also have a prayer card. And then I have sunglasses. This changes all the time, like what's in here. This is just a little bag. And then the sunglasses in here. These are actually pretty cool sunglasses. I think the brand is Illustiva. Yeah. So I do like these. They get fingerprinty really quickly. And then, oh, I have a Bye Bye Baby packing slip from something that was sent to me for our future babe. And I think that's it. That's everything. So messy. Now that I've cleaned it out, I put all my makeup back in here, but those lip products I'm going to take out and put back in my thing. The Cliff Bar can go, so we're kind of decluttering my purse as we go, aren't we? These sunglasses are going to go back in. The pens are going to go back in. I like to have everything at least like in bags, you know. The keys need to live in here. My glasses case can go back in. My wallet can go back in. The ultrasound does not need to be in there. I actually need my notebook after this video, so I'm just going to leave it out. My phone I'll have out, but that's pretty much it. So I was able to take out the coffee pods, the paint stirrer, the extra lip products, the receipt, the prayer card I'm going to put in my nightstand, the Cliff Bar that's half gone can be out of there. So all in all, I feel like it's a little bit lighter now, just a little bit, and cleaner. But I like this bag. I like how simple it is. I love the blush pink. I love that the shoulder drop is long enough that it's not like so short and you feel weird. It's comfortable. And I like that the whole thing zips shut, because when it's raining, it's nice to know that like everything is protected, because I feel like a lot of the past purses I've had have been ones that you can't really shut properly. And so it's like, oh, let me run out in the rain and get everything in my purse wet while I'm at it. So I hope you enjoyed this old school, like original YouTube kind of a video. It was kind of fun to share. And other than that, I hope you'll subscribe and tap that notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.